Whoa! The lights just went out. What's going on?
Okay, nobody panic. It might just be a temporary blackout. Let's stay calm.
Good call, Emma, but, does anyone have a flashlight? My phone's dead.
Classic John. Always low battery at the worst times. All right, let me use my phone's flashlight.
Processing. It appears to be a power outage affecting the entire block. Solution. Seek alternative light sources and avoid unnecessary movement.
That's actually solid advice, champ. Let's all stick together.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know when the power will be restored?
We're working on it. It should be back in about 15 minutes.
Oh, that's a relief. Thank you.
See, no big deal. We can still enjoy the party in the dark. Who needs lights when we have good vibes?
Correction. Parties are statistically more enjoyable with adequate lighting.
Champ, sometimes you just gotta go with the flow.
Ouch! That hurt. I think I twisted my ankle.
Are you okay? Can you walk?
It hurts a little. I think I need to sit down.
Here, let's get you to a chair. You should elevate your foot.
Want me to grab some ice? That might help with the swelling.
Recommendation. Apply ice for 15 minutes, then keep the foot elevated to reduce swelling.
Thanks, guys. And Champ, I gotta admit, you're pretty handy in a crisis.
Oh no, I'm so sorry, sir. Let me grab some napkins.
No worries. Accidents happen. I appreciate you helping out.
That's a great way to handle it, John. Staying cool in an awkward moment is key.
Yeah, you could have gone full meltdown mode, but instead, you were smooth about it. Respect.
Analysis. John demonstrated excellent social skills. Rating, 10 out of 10.
Wow, Champ giving me a 10 out of 10? I must be doing something right.
So, let's sum up what we learned today. Here are some key phrases for handling a crisis.
First, stay calm. Let's figure this out. When facing a stressful situation.
Second, excuse me, can you help me with this? When you need assistance.
3. Are you okay? Do you need help? Checking in on someone in distress?
4. No worries. Accidents happen. Handling awkward moments with grace.
Final observation. Effective communication is essential in a crisis. Be calm, be clear, and be kind.
All right, champ, you get an A+ for that. And to our viewers, what's the trickiest crisis you've ever handled? Share in the comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more modern English vibes.
And remember, stay cool under pressure and keep your English sharp.